Alright, welcome to the Earth Engine. And this is completely runs on water. It drops down from there from my man-made stream, which I am currently filling it with this hose right here. And this one's the one that's pumping water. This one pumps water. This one's filling my man-made stream. Pumping water through this line right here. Get up nice and close and show you how this thing works. I'm going to put a flywheel right in here. And then I'm going to generate some power. I've got plenty of room. I might need another one of these valves, a couple more valves. Yeah. Man-made stream. It's down in. What's happening is the water's coming down the pipe all the way down, and it starts flowing out of here. Once it starts flowing out of here, it makes that siphoning motion. And then when the valve closes, it stops all the water really fast, so the water has nowhere to go but up. So it comes up this way, and this is a one-way valve, so it lets the water up, but it won't let the water back because it's a valve. And so then it goes down, that gets pressurized and forces the water to come out up here, this stream. That's just overflow from my river. And then over here I'm going to generate some power. And it's all made from just water. Yep. What do you think? Later.